Okay, we need to watch YouTube soon.
Actually, you guys have projects that you guys have to
I know. It's just I can't be like, oh, middle of project. Pay for it.
Edit, yeah.
Pay for it.
Well, you guys had 25 minutes to talk.
Sounds like I'm doing something else, doesn't it? You're recording, aren't you?
I put it on silent so you wouldn't hear the button. Domi, why you so
Awesome.
Domi, why you so awesome? And it's faded.
Ben's interesting.
Oh, Ben is interesting, yo.
He's like, what is this contraption?
Pretty Pooh, why you so good?
I don't think you can see him.
Here, kitty. Hi.
Okay, you can.
Meow. 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 Is that right? Is that what he did to you? Meow. Meow. Meow.
No, you don't want to do that. Oh. No, you're gonna fall. No, actually.
You can really
Meow.
converse with my pet cat.
Meow.
Benny Boo.
Meow.
He's playing with your violets though.
Meow.
She can't use the footage if that's talking.
Meow.
Then shut up.
Meow. 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 Meow.
He's pawing.
Meow. Meow. That's awful. That is really awful. You'll get better soon. Meow. 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 No, don't chew on that. Give me that. Give me that ass. Look at that ass. Look at that pussy. Yeah, you sexy, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Just look at that ass. Did you see that ass? You see the girl on that ass that was walking up the street? Did you see her? Yeah? Did you like it? Okay. Bye.
He's still looking at you.
Meow.
That's me.
Don't give me that evil eye. I see that. But no, really, did you see that ass? You didn't see that ass? It was pretty awesome. Focus. Yeah, it was freaking sexy. Did she answer?
You might want to turn off the camera.